In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix TikTok app no internet connection or not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can disconnect to the Wi-Fi, give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Try switching between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. If the solution didn't work out for you, check the server status of TikTok. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website Down Detector, search for TikTok. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait. There's nothing wrong with your phone or internet connection. It's a server-side issue that usually gets fixed automatically. All they need to do is wait a bit and then try again later. Once TikTok resolves the problem, the app should start working again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.